Dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today in joint venture second method, when you record in each party's books, second problem, first problem and introduction is over related to this second method. Already I gave you. If you miss that class, you will not understand today's class. Just a previous class, introduction of this, please go ahead, be thorough and then come back to this class. So this is the second and last problem in this method. If you can do this, if you can understand this, I can say that second method is perfect you are. So this second method we are going to discuss in the books of both the parties. Suppose say here in the books of Ram we are saying, in the books of Ram joint venture account and Raheem's account, co-venture is Raheem. In the books of Ram joint venture account, Raheem's account. In the same way, in the books of Raheem, joint venture account, who is the co-venturer? Ram, Ram's account. Both the books we are preparing. In the previous problem, only in one book. In the books of A, we prepared joint venture account and B's account. Here in both the books, I'll show you so that no confusion, you'll get more clarity. So this problem, please go to the description box. You can note down or you can watch this problem first. So in this problem, Ram and Raheem entered into joint venture to take a building contract for 24 lakh. They provide the following information regarding the expenditure incurred by them. So this building contract is here, total amount is 24,000. So 24,000 contract, expenses of Ram and Raheem is given. Material, cement, wages, architect's fee, license fee and plant. So these are the expenses. Ram's material 6 lakh 80, Raheem's 5 lakh, cement 1 lakh 30 is 1 lakh 70, wages of only Raheem's 2 lakh 70,000 and architect fee, Ram's is 1 lakh, Raheem's is nil, license fee, Raheem's 50,000, Ram's is nil, plant, Ram's is nil, only Raheem's is 2 lakh. Then after that, plant was valued 1 lakh at the end of the contract and Raheem agrees to take it at that value. Contract amount 24 lakh was received by Ram. So when partners are taking, we can enter it easily. So right now we'll start this problem. Expenses of Ram and Raheem is given. So we can start this problem with the first in the books of Ram we are saying. In the books of Ram, Ram's expenses will say to cash. To cash, you can take it even bank also, it doesn't matter. To cash or to bank. To cash, all the items you can write it under this only because we have a lot of expenses. One is material. Oh, I'm using blue. So one is material 6 lakh 80. Then cement 1 lakh 30. Wages not there. Architect fee is here 1 lakh. These are the expenses of Ram. So we said to cash, under that we have written. Now expenses of Raheem, you can say directly to Raheem's account. This is cash account and Raheem's account. All the expenses of Raheem's will write under this. So material is 5 lakh. Next cement 1 lakh 70,000. Then wages 2 lakh 70,000. Next architect fee is not there, but license fee is 50,000. License fee. Third one was wages, na? So wages. License fee is 50,000. Then plant is 2 lakh. Expenses are over, and at the end what they are saying, plant was valued at 1 lakh at the end of contract, and Raheem agreed to take. Raheem wanted to take. When Raheem wanted to take, Raheem's account by Raheem's. So here Raheem's account will say plant is ready to take by Raheem. Raheem's account 1 lakh. And contract amount 24 lakh was received by Ram. Ram received this contract amount, means we'll say cash. This is contract amount. Sales, it is nothing but a sales, it is 24 lakh. That's it, over. Now here how they are going to share the profits? Anything is mentioned? Not mentioned. It means equally. Profits and, yeah, they already mentioned under the expenses, profits and losses to be shared equally. Now this is over. Now what we'll do? We'll close the accounts. 24 plus 1 lakh means 25 lakh. We'll deduct all the transactions. 25 lakh minus 6 lakh 80 minus 1 lakh 30,000 minus 1 lakh plus 5 lakh 6 lakh 6 lakh 7 lakh 70,000 6 lakh 7 lakh 70,000 is over. Now next this is 4 lakh 2 lakhs, 4 lakh 70,000 will take minus 50,000. It is 4 lakh you are getting. 4 lakh is to be distributed to both the partners equally. So when you are giving to Ram, you will say Ram's profit and loss account. Profit and loss account 2 lakh. And when you are giving to Raheem, Raheem's account. This is profit. Are you getting it? Total we got profit of 4 lakh. 4 lakh is distributed equally to the partners, 2 lakh. So when you are giving to Ram, profit and loss account. When you are giving to Raheem, Raheem's account 2 lakh. So this is 25 lakh total. Over, joint venture account is over. Now come to Ram's account. Ram's account is simple. So there is generally one entry you will find apart from joint venture, that is advance entry. Advance entry is not there. So directly you can debit to credit, credit to debit, you can just transfer it. Now here you see first Raheem's. Raheem's means all these amounts we are going to transfer. Raheem's, this not this one, this is Ram's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items you are going to transfer by joint venture account. 5 lakh, 1 lakh 70,000, 2 lakh 70,000, 50,000 and 2 lakh. So debit to credit, 5 items transferred. Now Raheem is on the credit side also. Credit side only 1 lakh, that is to be transferred on the debit side to joint venture account, 1 lakh. Over. Now what we'll do, we'll close the account. Closing of the account, if you see credit side is more. How much it is more, we'll see. 2 lakh, 2 lakh 50, 3 lakh, 3 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 1 lakh 70,000 plus 2 lakh 70,000. It is 7 lakh 40. 7 lakh 40. Difference will say to cash account. So this is balancing figure. 7 lakh 40 minus 1, 6 lakh 40,000. Like Raheem's account is over. Now come to in the books of Raheem, joint venture account and Ram's account. If you prepare this as it is, we are going to write. But only the thing is that where you are writing cash, you will say Ram, because Ram's expenses. And Raheem's you will say cash. First we will write Raheem's transactions to cash account. What are Raheem's? Material 5 lakh, then cement 1 lakh 70, then wages 2 lakh 70, then fee 50,000 and plant 2 lakh. Raheem's expenses are this. Now when comes to Ram's expenses, you will say to Ram's account. Ram's expenses are material 6 lakh 80 and cement 1 lakh 30, architect fee 1 lakh. Everything we have written. Now credit side, one is Ram's account. Ram's account means we'll say by cash. Sorry, Raheem's account means we'll say cash 1 lakh. When cash means this is related to the Ram, so we'll say Ram's account 24 lakh. Finish, over. Now closing. Amounts are same, even profit and loss also same, because as it is we are writing only wherever Raheem is there, that we are saying it as to cash. And the cash items means Ram's amount, we are saying it as Ram. That's it. So your amount also same, you will get 25 lakh. Profit is 4 lakh. 4 lakh is to be divided to Raheem and Ram. So to Raheem, profit will say profit and loss account, and Ram's account. So this is profit 2 lakh 2 lakh. Over. Now next, Ram's account. Ram is here, this, all these Ram's account 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 items debit to credit you will write. So when you are transferring by joint venture account, 6 lakh 80, 1 lakh 30, 1 lakh, then 2 lakh. By joint venture, by joint venture, by joint venture. Now Ram is here, credit side we are having 24 lakh. Transfer it here to joint venture account, 24 lakh. This balance will be definitely different from that balance because expenses are differing, all the transactions. So this is 24 lakh, debit side is more. 24 lakh minus all these. So we'll use the calculator. 24 lakh, 24 lakh minus 6 lakh 80 minus, this is 3 lakh 4 lakh 30,000. Oh no, 24 lakh minus 6 lakh 80,000 minus 4,30,000. 12,90,000. So this, what do you say? Cash account. Balancing figure. Understood? Simple. Let me give you once again the explanation. A recap of the same problem. So this method, second method, when you are recording in each party's books, just like consignment, each party. So in the books of Ram, joint venture account, Raheem's account. In the books of Raheem, joint venture account and Ram's account. Here one thing you remember, you are going to write either cash or co-venturer name for every transaction, whether it's debit side or credit side. Cash or co-venturer name. Rather than cash, you can use even bank also, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now in this problem, first we have opened in the books of Ram. So Ram expenses, we said cash, all this. Then Raheem expenses by Raheem, so all this. And Ram's 1 lakh cash, and Raheem's it is, Raheem's is 1 lakh, Ram's is 24 lakh sale proceeds. Now lastly you got a profit of 4 lakh. 4 lakh I was distributing to both the partners, both the co-venturers equally. So when if it is related to Ram, you are saying profit and loss account. Now Raheem's profit, you will say Raheem's account. In the same way, open the Raheem's account. Nothing is there, Raheem's account. Simply Raheem's all these transactions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we have transferred here. 5. And here Raheem 1 lakh. 1 lakh also transferred. This is the balance you got. You are saying it as a cash. In the same way, in the books of Raheem, open the joint venture account and Ram's account. Raheem's, in the books of Raheem, Raheem's all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all expenses, even 2 lakh also. So 5 expenses we are saying it as cash, because in the books of Raheem, Raheem's expenses 2 cash you are saying, and Ram's expenses, these 3 you are saying it as 2 Ram's account, 1, 2, 3. And here Raheem means you are saying cash 1 lakh. Cash means Ram. Ram's transactions we are taking it as Ram name only. So at the end same profit you got. Raheem's profit you are saying it as profit and loss account. Ram's profit, Ram's account only. Now open the Ram's account. All the Ram's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 transactions, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 transactions transfer from debit to credit, Ram's. And here credit to debit, 24 lakh. So lastly you got a profit, cash of this much. Means this is the amount to be paid to the Raheem. Cash account attached to Ram's account is the entry. So that's all. This is about joint venture. Separate books are maintained. Is it clear? If you are understanding, 70 to 80% of joint venture is over. Now next last method, third method is there, memorandum of joint venture. That also I'll start early as possible. I'll try to start so that you can become perfect in joint venture. Many people were asking me, joint venture. Nothing is there, simple. Only the thing is logic you need to understand. Dear students, there are many subjects already prepared in our channel. Please check it out as per your requirement, whatever may be the course you are doing. Either it's a BBA or BBM, BMA, BCom or MCom, MBA, CA, CS, professional courses like CMA or any other courses like BCom LLB or any other course, even BTech also. Lot of subjects which may be useful for you. Take out your syllabus and go to the playlist, what is matching, use it, and don't forget to forward these videos to someone who is struggling to learn the subject, because our motto is to make studies are easy. Okay, practice well and have a wonderful future. Good luck.